Aires, thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Thank you for coming to Dream World, our world of music and memory. This is our last song tonight.
Photos and invitations to teenage parties, dress in white, once every quotations from someone's wife, a famous writer in my 1920s. When you're young, you find inspiration in anyone who's ever gone and opened up a closing door. She says we was never feeling bored, 'cause we were never feeling boring. We had too much time to find for ourselves. We were never feeling boring. We dressed up in photographs, nicknames. We were never hurrying back, worried that time would come to an end. I left from the station with a haversack and some trepidation. Someone said, if you're not careful, you have nothing left and nothing to care for in my 1970s. But I sat back looking for what my shoes were high and I had scars. Floating through my closing door, I would never find myself feeling bored, 'cause we were never feeling boring. We had too much time to find for ourselves. We were never feeling boring. We dressed up in photograph neighborhoods. We were never hurrying back, worried time would come to an end. We were always hoping that, looking back, you could always rely on a friend. Now I sit with different faces in rented rooms, foreign places, all the people I was kissing. Some are here, but some are missing by the 1990s. I never dreamt that I would get to be the creature that I always meant to be. But I thought, in spite of dreams, you'd be sitting somewhere here with me. 'Cause we were never feeling boring. We had too much time to find for ourselves. We were never feeling boring. We dressed up in photograph neighborhoods. We were never hurrying back, worried that time would come to an end. We were always hoping that, looking back, you could always rely on a friend. And we were never feeling boring. We were never feeling bored, 'cause we were never feeling boring. We were never feeling bored.
You to the band. On guitar, vocals, percussion, keyboards, Monsieur Simon Tellier.